Hey friends, thank you so much for watching and welcome. I'm Stacy, and in this video I have for you another great Walmart haul. Everything is summer inspired. I have shoes, shorts, tops, jewelry, so much to cover, so let's dive in. I have a lot of great summer pieces, so to keep everything organized, I'm going to put everything in numeric order. A number is going to pop up on the bottom of the screen. Jot down the number to the item that you like. Scroll down to the description. Click on that number. It will take you directly to that website. Now, if you are watching from a mobile device, just click on the title of this film and it will open the description for you. This first piece is from the Scoop line, and that is these palm leaf earrings. They are available in a gold tone. I paid $15 for these earrings. The length is about 2.5 inches. I just love this little palm leaf shape. I think it's perfect for summer. These earrings definitely feel like a quality piece. They have a little bit of a weight to them. So if you prefer a lighter weight earring, I wouldn't recommend these, but overall just a very pretty earring and perfect for summer. Number 2 is this set of bracelets, also from the Scoop line, and these are currently on rollback. I only paid $12.74 for these bracelets. They come in a set of 3. You have 2 gold bracelets along with a pearl bracelet. It's also available in a blue stone as well. There are no clasps on this bracelet. You just slip it on right over your wrist. It has a little bit of a stretch to it. Number 3 are these sandals from Time and True. These are a thong sandal. They are just so comfortable and so perfect for summer, easy to slip on. They have a good amount of cushion on the footbed. They come available in a wide width and also a medium width. I did order this in a wide, which was just a little too big for my foot, so I would stay true to your size. If you have a more narrow foot, I would definitely recommend the medium width, but overall these are just a great comfortable shoe. The thong part that wraps around your toe is very soft and comfortable. Number 4 is this top from the Free Assembly line. It is a V-neck with a wide polo collar. It's 100% cotton, which is perfect for summer, keeping you cool during those warmer months. I did pick this up in the color white. It's also available in a blue, green, and orange stripe. I paid $16 for this top. It's a very lightweight, soft material. It has the nice V-neck with the polo collar and then also 2 little slits on the side. Number 5 is also from the Free Assembly line, and that is these shorts in a blue and a white stripe. I love these shorts. They are just perfect for summer. They are a high-rise short with a nice elastic waist. There are 2 slits on the side. You have 2 front functioning pockets. The material is 100% cotton, which is perfect for keeping you cool during those warmer months. I did pick these up in the blue and white stripe. They're also available in an orange, white, and green. I paid $18 for these shorts. Number 6 is a rollback. Guys, I only paid $15 for these sneakers. Now these sneakers are a knit sneaker. They are just so light, so soft and cushy, perfect for running errands, perfect for even wearing to the gym because there is a little bit of traction on the bottom. They have a nice little soft part for the heel, just kind of pull up and slip over your heel, but like I said, a nice amount of cushion in there. I did pick these up in the color white. They're also available in a black, a pink, a gray, and a purple. They're very soft. I just cannot get over how lightweight these sneakers are. Number 7 are these rolled cuff shorts from the Scoop line. These are available in limited sizes. They are currently on clearance for $12. I did order these in a size 4. I will have my height and weight in the description below, but these are like a dark wash distressed jean. It is a rolled cuff. You cannot roll it down. The only thing I don't like about these jeans is the way it rolls up. It kind of goes up high on the thigh and then just goes low. I did not realize that when I ordered these. I prefer them to be just the same length going all the way around the leg versus that little high-low action going on there. But overall, very soft, comfortable pair of shorts. They do have a little bit of stretch to them. Like I did mention, they are limited sizes. They are a high rise with a 4.5-inch seam. It's made of 99% cotton and 1% spandex. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell so you get a notification every time a new video releases. Number 8 are these shorts in a floral print. It does have a corset waist. I just love this floral print. I love all this little pop of color, the little bit of lavender, a little bit of that peach color. I thought that was perfect for summer. Now these shorts are from the No Boundaries line, which is a juniors brand, so you definitely want to size up. I normally wear a size 4 and a size 6. I actually had to size up to a size 11. They were roomy, nice and spacious. I felt very comfortable in them, but they are a high-rise short. It does have that corset waist, which is very flattering for the figure. You have 2 front functioning pockets. You also have 2 pockets in the back. It is a rolled cuffed, which is actually sewn together, so this you cannot roll these down, and I only paid $11.98 for these shorts. Number 9 is this handbag from the Time and True line. I paid $17 for this bag. I did pick it up in this cognac color. It's also available in a pink and a beige. It is a crossbody bag, and it also has the handle here, which you'll see you can actually take this off. The crossbody strap part you cannot take off, but the handle part you can detach. Now it is a front flap with a magnetic closure. It does have 1 pocket inside, nice zipper pocket inside. This is a good amount of space where you can fit your wallet, your phone, your keys in there, but a very cute and stylish handbag. I liked the canvas, kind of like a linen material on the front. I thought that was perfect for summer, but overall very cute bag. Definitely feels like a quality piece, so for $17 you can't beat that. Number 10 are these utility shorts from Time and True. I have shared these shorts in previous videos. I will link that below. I picked these up in a brown color. I actually own them in a white and a pink. They are such a comfortable pair of shorts. I definitely like these shorts. Now I picked up another pair because they're currently on sale for $12. Like I said, I will have everything linked below for you guys. Number 11 is also from the Time and True line, and that is this crew neck t-shirt. I just really liked all the little eyelet detail on the sleeves and on the side of this shirt. It is 100% cotton, again perfect for summer, but overall just a very cute, simple t-shirt, but just having that little detail on the sleeves and the sides really just steps it up and elevates the shirt a little bit. Number 12 is actually from Amazon, and that is this yellow and white striped cardigan. I just loved this yellow color. I thought it was so bold and so bright and perfect for summer. Now, I don't know about you guys, but a lot of times during the summer months when you're out, going out to dinner, going out to lunch, and you step into the restaurant or you're out shopping, I find that the stores drop the AC down and it can get quite chilly. So I thought this would be perfect to add on top of pretty much any outfit. Pair it with a pair of white jeans, a pair of, shorts, and it's just a great way to slip something on, a nice layering piece. But with this bold yellow color, I thought it was just so perfect and so pretty, and definitely says, sunshine, here I come. And finally, for number 13 are these heeled sandals from Target. These sandals have a nice little straw-like material on the front, all the way wrapping around the heel. There is a good amount of memory foam cushion on these sandals. I did pay $33 for these sandals, but I thought they were just such a perfect color, great to wear for summer, pretty much will go with anything. And I really just loved that little bit of that straw detail that wrapped around the front, also wrapped around the heel. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Remember to keep shining, keep smiling, and I'll see you next time. Bye.